I can't believe everything we have left. What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are doing a get ready with me. So we're focusing on hair and makeup, which I am super excited about. So with that being said, thank you so much to Love Me Hair for sponsoring today's video. We love that for us, and we love me hair. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into hair. Love Me Hair is literally a game changer on effortless wig installations. They deliver uncompromising quality, ready to go units with a really good price. And if this is not your first time watching a Love Me Hair video from my channel, I love Me Hair. They literally deliver uncompromising quality, ready to go wigs for a really good price. I truly love that they offer so many different units, so many different styles, and so many different colors for you to self-express. Because let's be for real, switching it up is literally everything. Now that the hair is done, let's go ahead and do makeup. And for my foundation, I just mixed these two foundations together to get my summer shade. For my concealer, I'm just using these two right here. These are oldie but goodies. They were actually in my project pan slash declutter pan, so I'm trying to use them up. So I'm gonna go ahead and use them today. To set underneath my eyes and all of my highlighted areas, I'm taking this Sacha Buttercup powder. This is another oldie but goodie, and it was also in my project plan. Why do I keep saying project plan? Project pan slash declutter. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Fit Me powder in 360 Mocha. I actually missed doing sit down videos so much, you guys, and I'm going to start back doing them, especially like makeup looks, even if it's just like updated products and stuff, even if nothing really changes with my face, y'all, because my makeup here lately has been super simple, cute, classy, natural. That's it. That's all. And for my bronzer, I'm going to be using this one from Juvia's Place. Love this. I literally have ran this in the ground real bad. And then for my blush, I'm going to be using this one from Juvia's Place. And I'm going to do a red lip. So I think we're just going to mix, you know what? Let's take this peach shade right here. Just a little. And I've been loving a blush on the tip of my nose lately. The nose stature, nothing's changed, y'all. At all. Moving on to the brows, I'm gonna fill them in just a little bit so they'll look a little bit more natural, but still not like done, if that makes sense. So the face is pretty much done. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my brow pencil and fill in my brows a little bit. So cute. Look at the brows. I do want to do a little bit of a wing liner, so I'm just using this one from Maybelline. This one is the Hyper Easy eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on these lashes. These are from AliExpress and these have become my favorite, you guys. Once I do my updated makeup tutorial or makeup everyday look, whatever we're gonna title it, girl, I'll tell you guys where these are from. Before I finish off my face and do my lip, I'm gonna go ahead and put my clothes on, and then I'll be back. So for my lip, I'm gonna be using this lip liner from MAC, and this is in the shade Night Moth. And just by using this, y'all already know what color lip we doing. Oh my gosh, I think I changed my mind. This red lip will be so pretty, but I kind of want like a berry pink lip. So now that my hair and makeup is complete, let's go ahead and jump into the details on this unit. The unit that I'm rocking in today's video is a Bohemian curl wig. I love this unit, you guys. It's just in its natural black color. It's 10 inches all around. I love this bob. Perfect for the summer, you guys, because y'all know it is still super hot. I also love that this unit was glueless, so I literally can take this wig off. I can put it back on whenever I want, switch it out, because switching it up is literally everything, you guys. I honestly did not know how I was gonna feel about this, but once I put this on my head, you guys, even before I started doing my makeup, I knew this unit was gonna be tea, okay? I knew it. I literally took this unit straight out of the box, you guys. I did a little bit of plucking to the hairline, as you guys saw. I literally didn't even pluck the part. I did a little bit of baby hairs because I did feel like this unit looked a lot better how I personally have it styled. So I love this. Like, I feel like the only thing you would have to do is pretty much relay your baby hairs if you wanted to take it off. It's easy to manage. The only thing that I did was put a little bit of water in it. Outside of that, you guys, there's no product in this hair. So yeah, like, you don't even have to do everything I do. You literally could have cut the lace off this unit and stuck it right on your head, you guys. I did also tint the lace as usual, just with my Eben lace spray, just so I can make sure it matches and it blends with my skin tone. I also can really appreciate that this unit is lightweight, you guys, because as you all can see, this unit is super full. Like, there is a lot of hair on this unit, but it is not heavy at all. Glueless, you see it. Love Me hair never disappoints. They always hit, they never miss. I love the curls for the girls, period. This unit is definitely giving that girl. Thank you so much again to Love Me Hair for sponsoring today's video. As always, everything will be linked down in my description bar below. The direct link to this unit, the inches, everything you need to know, maybe even a coupon code. Check them out, you guys. The prices are super affordable, and get you one of these Bohemian curl units, girl, because yeah, it's cute. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed it, thumbs it up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.